ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय। 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 This is known as Rudra Mantra. Rudra Mantra is recited to get blessings of Lord Shiva. It is considered effective for the fulfillment of one's wishes. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya.